Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
More like this, now be small thing happen for court today, auto presidential tribunal matter. I come here, can't give una the full gist. Everything will happen for inside court today. Because now today, now Labour Party present their first witness for court. Yes, now. Just relax. I go give now everything exactly where it happen for inside court today. First and foremost, today now Yusuf Dati Ahmed, Baba Ahmed, appear for court for the first time since this matter happen. As court won't start, they not see Peter before court. Now let you see the now APC lawyers call the happy say yes now, but don't tell her he don't tire for the matter. Hey, Peter B don't weak, oh. Peter B don't lose hope, oh. Bay, if this happen, now Peter B appear for court like uli. All of them are weak. As Peter B appear now. No do. And they say, yeah, my lord, shall we begin? They say, yes, we shall. Now, proper hearing starts today. Labour Party, where is your representative? Now, Labour Party layers start to say, my lord, sir, here I am. Now they say, step forward. Now they call APC. Where is your representative? Now APC representative stand up. And I say, you know go greet as normal lawyer sister, you know go greet. Instead of say normal for court, they agree to you say, my lord. APC lawyer won't greet now. As he stand up now, he say, a caro. And I say, a caro for which thing? Which kind? You are who they do a caro for you now? Greet number one. I say, oh sorry, my lord. And I say, step forward. Labour Party, where is your witness? That is a Labour Party goes guard. 2 seconds. The first witness, Labour Party now follow today. Now cross-examination starts. Sharply. I go just read that to you the full transcript of what happened as Labour Party presents their representative. I beg, as they watch this video, do me a favor. Just share this video. Make all the obedience all over the world. And all the well-meaning Nigerians. Make them watch this, make them see them, make them see what they happen for Nigeria. I go read now the full transcript of what happened as Labour Party presents their first witness for court today. Why they read that from that phone? Now they say witness is listed as number 7, LUNN, in our petition. Now the court say, is he a star witness? Now Labour Party rep say, no, he's a moon witness. Now everybody bust laugh. Person witness come and say that star witness. That everybody say no, not be star na moon. Normally na joke they joke because all work and no play make Jack the door boy. What we go to na serious pass. So now the Labour court rep court say he is an ordinary witness. That is okay. Now the witness enter start say my name is LUNN. That is an abbreviation. The guy abbreviated name for confidentiality. No say the court should be now. Me they no go. You get what I mean now. They no go. Corner the guy for one side for confidentiality. Now abbreviated name as LUNN. That's the witness. So now Labour Party rep begin ask a question. Say where do you live? Witness say Ihiala, Anambra State. Labour Party lawyer comes and say, on the 20th of March 2023, you deposed to a witness statement to this honorable court. Please identify it. Now the witness say, yes, I can identify my deposition. Fear. Now, Labour Party lawyer comes say, what do you want to do with it? Now the witness replies, say, before we continue, I wish to ask to apply to amend at paragraph 10. I mistakenly inserted 14 July, not February 2022. Labour Party lawyer can say, my lord, I hope you effect these corrections before we progress. I so apply. Now the judge say, any objection? Then they say no objection. I can say fire down. Judge can say, in the absence of any objection, it is hereby amended. And they say, thank God for everything. And the witness court say, I switch to adopt same as my confidence. Labour Party lawyer can say, in paragraph 17 of witness disposition, you refer to the proceedings of the U.S. District Court. Are these the documents you refer to? Then, not the year now. Labour Party lawyer can say, I apply to tender that document which has been listed at number 5, page 2, to the last paragraph, exhibit BA, which witness referred to it in paragraph 17 of his deposition. Court, you just say any objection? Nobody talk. That court say, I make any objection? I say no objection. Like the Tinubu Shetima representative court say, yes, I will put it in objection with argument in our final address. APC rep court say, I am objecting, but I'll do so in my final address. Now they wait for the end. No wahala. Now the judge court say, admitted and marked as exhibits. Tinubu Shetima representative lawyer court say, in his time is up. Now Labour Party lawyer court say, in the interest of judges, I just want the witness to just identify and do and link it to his witness depositions. Please look at paragraph 7 to 11 of exhibit BA1 to BA4. Are they the documents you refer to in your deposition? Now the witness can say, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Labour Party lawyer can say, thank you, my lord. I surrender him to cross-examination. And the lawyer can say, witness, confirm to the court that you are a registered voter. And the witness can say, I have my PVC and I voted on the 25th day of February 2023. And the lawyer can say, what is your polling unit? The witness reply, my lord, my polling unit is located in front of my house, Umoezala Village Square. That's my polling unit. And the lawyer can say, will I be correct to say that you played no role in the election? The witness can say, year of call is 13th October 2000. And the lawyer, confirm to the court the books you have published on electoral law. Labour Party lawyer can say, I oppose, as he didn't mention that in his deposition. Witness can say, I am a legal practitioner, not an author. And the lawyer can say, confirm to the court if you have ever appeared to the CA or Supreme Court as an amicus on any constitutional matter. The witness can say no. And the lawyer can say, please confirm that your statements in paragraph 4, 15, and 16 and 17 of your deposition are the legal opinion you have formed on the exhibits you have identified. The witness can say, they are not my legal opinion, but matters of pure law. They want to do the guy like this. They don't say the guy sharp. And the lawyer can say, you said you are from Amoka community. Confirm to the court that there was crisis. Labour Party lawyer say, I object because there is nothing related to this in his deposition. The sky is not the limit for cross-examination. The judge can say, INEC, what are you driving at? What's be your plan, INEC? What's be your plan? I'm going to go bless that judge for this question. INEC lawyer can say, I want to establish that he is a Syriac that he is a serial at causing crisis. It is relevant for injuring his credibility in this election. He caused the crisis such that they have two presidents in the elections. Tinubu can say, "Good day, my learned friend. Did you prepare the statement and reach the conclusion, or it was prepared for you?" The witness can say, "I vetted it myself, and I did not draw conclusion, but I stated facts." Then why do you do this guy like this? You don't say the guy is smart. Now they listen to Tinubu Shotimale can say, "Have you been to the US? When and where?" The witness can say, "I've been there once in 2003 in Michigan." Tinubu Shotimale can say, in paragraph 17 and 18, you stated emphatically that the second respondent was fined $460,000 in the UK. Do you still stand by it? The witness can say, "Yes, I do. I fear you." Tinubu Shotimale can say, "I suggest to you that you have never read through Exhibit P5 series." The witness say, "I read through the entire document." Tinubu Shotimale can say, "My lord, will it surprise that it was never indicated that in the documents you tendered that no word, paragraph, and line and sentence referred to him being fined?" The witness can reply, can say, "I will be surprised because he was fined and the document speaks for itself." Tinubu Shotimale can say, "We argue that these documents are not registered in Nigeria, are they?" The witness can say, "No certificate from you, from either the Consul of the United States, you or PDP know that." Anyway, now just how the cross examination happened between Labour Party witness and the tribunal today. So as I declare you so now, they don't adjourn this matter. So till tomorrow again. So tomorrow again we move. We know they lack, we know they lose guard. And I dare you not worry yourself. I'm going to give you the update as everything is up. We move.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.